Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to see other viewers on Facebook Story. Want to know who saw your Facebook Story? First, upload a story. Just select a file. Make sure the story is set to public. Otherwise, you will not see the others and your viewers. Wait for viewers after your story has gone live. Then tap the viewers count in the lower left corner. If you set it to public, you'll see your typical viewers as well as section labeled others, people who saw your story but aren't your Facebook friends. If you wish to change your story privacy later on, navigate to Settings, Privacy, Stories, and select who can see your stories. If you wish to continue seeing the others list, set it to public. That's it. That's how you see who visited your Facebook story. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.